Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with our chapter number 4, List and Tables in HTML. Now in this video we will see how to create a table and frames in HTML. In a table we have already seen how to create a simple table. Now today we will see how to create a class timetable where we will be using rowspan and colspan facility of HTML tables. After that we will see how to create frames. Class timetable. You can see here I have prepared a simple class timetable over here, and for the subject temporarily I have given all the subject name computer. You can provide the subject as per your timetable, actual timetable. Okay. And next thing is frames. So you can see here we have 3 different frames. Here this is the title frame, this is a table of content frame, and this is the actual content frame. So we will create exactly the same thing using HTML coding, right? So let's start. So here I'll start with Notepad and we will start with the basic coding HTML. Now from here we will start with our table structure. So I'll write table, border is equal to 1, then you can see here. Now from here I'm directly starting TR. The first row I'm starting with TH, Penn Standard Class Timetable 2020-21 and TH close. Why I have added TH? Because this is the first row. Okay, and I am closing TR over here. After that again I have to start TR, then again TH. My first TH should be blank because I want to put a period over here. Then TH Monday, TH close. Close and closing here TR. Now initially I am closing table tag also, body, and then HTML. Okay, I am saving it. First of all I am changing the language HTML. You can see all these things are colored. File, save as. I am saving it on a desktop. I am giving a name timetable.html. Save. Let us see. Now you can see here my table is created, but it is not proper. Why? Because this 10th standard class timetable is coming somewhere, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday coming where, Saturday is coming elsewhere. So what we have to do, we have to arrange all these things. I have to merge this first row into the 6 columns. So what I'll do, I'll write here I want to merge columns. So I'll write colspan, that is equal to how many colspan we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so I am writing here colspan 7. Okay, save. Let's check again. Press F5. It is changed now. Okay, now I want to give width to each and every column. So here I'm starting with here width is equal to, suppose I am giving 10%. Okay, then here I am giving the width 15%. Okay, and the same width I am providing to all the columns. Save. Let us check it. Now all the columns are properly stacked. Here you can see a blank column: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. At the top side, 10 standard class timetable 2020-21. Okay, now we will put actual data under the columns. So what I'll do, I'll start with TR, then instead of TH I'll start with TD. Now no need to provide width because the first column has given width, so we do not need to provide width every time. So here I am writing 1 TD close, TD computer and TD close. Now see, here we are creating the first period of each and every day. Okay, we are not creating all the periods of Monday only. We are creating first period of each and every day, right? So I'll copy it. TR. Save. Now let's check again. Now you can see my row is created, but it is not center aligned, right? So what I'll do here, I'll write a property align, that is equal to center. Save. Let's check it again. Okay, now everything is fine. Now we will create next 3 rows. So I'll simply copy it and paste it. I'll change it here to save. Let's check it again. Okay, now here 4 periods are arranged. Now what to change here? To Saturday we are having first 3 period and then we are having a recess. So instead of this period I have to change it to recess, right? So what I'll do, I'll simply remove this content and write recess. Okay, along with this I'll put BG color is equal to orange here. Save. Let's check it again. Okay, recess has come. Now here we are having recess for Monday to Friday and 4th period for Saturday. So what we will do, we'll create TR, TD, then we will use colspan is equal to 6, right? BG color is equal to orange, and here again I'll write recess and TD close. Now this is all about Monday to Friday. Now for Saturday again I'll create TD align center. Okay, here also I'll put align center. Okay, and computer, and finally TD close. At the end, TR close. Let's check, save, and press F5. You can see here, after 4 period, we can see a recess. Now 5th period will be common for all. Here also we will be having a 5th period. So I'll simply copy, Ctrl V, writing here 5. Save, F5. You can see here 5th period, all the subjects and Saturday. Now after this, I need to provide only five days timetable. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. For Saturday, after 5 periods, school gets over. So what I'll do? Okay, now instead of recess, we will simply put dash. Okay, and here we are closing TR. Let us check it. Okay, now same for the 7th period. But here we don't want to put this thing. Putting 7 here, and same way we will add 8th period. Let us check it. Now here you can see 8 period are done, but this block is not extended to the last. Now I want to extend this block to 3 rows, right? Now what we will do, like here we have extended this block to 6 columns. So we have used colspan to extend the cell up to number of columns. We use colspan. Same way, to extend the block to some row, we will use rowspan, right? So in the 6th, we will write here rowspan, that is equal to 3, and save. Now you can see your timetable is prepared. Okay, you can see the coding here. Okay, so this is a class timetable. Now let's start with frames. Frames in HTML. Frames are used to split a browser window into multiple sections, and we can display individual web pages in each section. By dividing browser window in many frames, we can handle different HTML codes individually and manage loading and reloading them. To create a frameset document, first we have to create frameset element, which is treated as a container of different frames. The frameset defines division of the browser window. Within the frameset, each frame is represented using frame tag. General syntax: frameset space, then type of division is equal to portion of divisions, and under it frame src, then file to be displayed in first frame, name of the frame, again frame src. Now how many divisions you have provided in a portion of division, that many frame tags will be used here. And finally, after number of frame src, we have to complete the frame set tag. Here we have two types of divisions. First, rows, means frame set type of division, rows, to split the window row wise, and same way cols to split the window column wise. For portion of division we provide value in a percentage. That all things we will see in a practical part, then only you can understand it very easily. Let us see in a practical. Now here we will start with Notepad, and we will directly start with frame set. Here we are not creating HTML head and the document. Why? Because we are not creating a page over here. We are simply splitting the browser window into multiple sections and putting already existing pages into each frame. So here I am starting with frame set. Now first of all, I want to split a browser window into rows, and I am giving the split percentage, that is 30% comma 70%. What does it mean? It means our browser window will split into two sections. First section will acquire 30% area and next section will acquire 70% area. We have to write like this only. Now under it, frame src, then I'll put path of image over here, name is equal to suppose f1, same way frame src, name is equal to f2, and finally here we are closing frame set. Okay, it's so simple. Now suppose I want to add this page in first frame, so I'll open it, I'll copy its location, paste it here, copy, and let us see what happens. I'm currently saving it on a desktop. frameset.html. Now you can see here my browser window is split into two sections. First section showing different page and second section showing different page, right? So this is how we create a frame. Now same thing, suppose I want to split into column wise, then simply instead of rows I have to write cols and save. Now here you can see again my browser window is split into two sections, but now column wise, right? Okay, now I want to create a frame set like this means first it is splitted row wise, then the second row is split into columns. Okay, so how we can do? We will simply add another frame set over here. After this, I'll add another frame set. And okay, before that I'll change here rows, then here I'll change calls is equal to again 30% comma 70%. Frame src, initially I am putting it blank, name is equal to f2, and here I am changing it into f3. Here I have to complete frame set. Now you can see this frame set completes this section and this frame set completes the topmost section. Okay, let us see. Okay, so this is your first frame, this is your second frame which is blank, and this is your third frame. Okay, so that's all for the frames. Okay, see this coding and practice it at home. Fine, thank you.